Algorand value equivalent to $0.1238 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The present range, 12 cents 12 cents. The earlier day close, 12 cents, which is very huge. The change most certainly was 0.0012, 0.96% in a fundamentally large way. Opposite rate, USD to ALGO. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for June 2023, which is genuinely critical. To start with, cost at $0.15, which sort of is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost 15 cents, least cost 9 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. The normal for the month 12 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 10 cents. Change for June 33.3%. ALGO to USD expectations for July 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset, cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 7 cents, or so they especially thought. The essentially normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for July 20.0%, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. At the outset, cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 8 cents, essentially least cost 7 cents. In every practical sense. Normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for August 12.5%. ALGO to USD expectations for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for September 14.3% in an exceptionally large manner. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 6 cents, exceptionally least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for October 0.0%. ALGO to USD expectations for November 2023, or so they explicitly thought. To start with, cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 6 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents, which explicitly is very critical. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for November 0.0%, which is very huge. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. At the outset, cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents. Truly least cost 6 cents. The exceptionally normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for December 16.7%, or so they basically thought. ALGO to USD expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents. Least cost 6 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for January 14.3%, which sort of is very huge. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 6 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for February 16.7%. ALGO to USD expectations for Walk 2024 in an unpretentious manner. At the outset, cost at $0.05. Most extreme cost 5 cents. Least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for spring 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024 in a significant manner. Initially cost at $0.05. Most extreme cost 6 cents. Least cost 5 cents, which really is genuinely huge. The especially normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for April 20th.0%, or so they thought. ALGO to USD expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $0.06, which is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost 6 cents. By and large, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents in a quite huge manner. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for May 16.7% in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024, or so they thought. At the outset, cost at $0.05. Most extreme cost 5 cents. Least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for June 0.0%. ALGO to USD expectations for July 2025 in a significant manner. before all else cost at $0.03, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 3 cents, least cost 3 cents, the sort of normal for the month 3 cents, which is very huge. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3 cents, change for July 0.0% in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 8.0775 algorands per $1 in a significant manner. Today, S reach 7.9491-8.2850. The past day, S nearby 8.0000. Change for now plus 0.0775, plus 0.97%. USD to ALGO expectations for June 2023, which really is genuinely huge. At the outset cost at 6.667 algorands in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost 11.111, least 6.667 amazingly. The normal for the month 8.611. A USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 10.000, change for June 50.0%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for July 2023 incredibly. To start with cost at 10.000 algorands, which is very critical. Most extreme cost 14.286, least 9.091. The normal for the month 11.469 in a very significant manner. The USD to ALGO figure toward the month's end 12.500, change for July 25.0% in a significant way. USD to ALGO expectations for August 2023. To start with cost at 12.500 algorands incredibly. Greatest cost 14.286, really least 12.500. The truly normal for the month 13.393. The USD to ALGO figure toward the month's end 14.286, change for August 14.3% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Algorand figure for September 2023. Before all else cost at 14.286 algorands amazingly. Most extreme cost 16.667. Least 14.286 in a significant manner. In every way that really matters. Normal for the month 15.477. The USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 16.667. Change for September 16.7%. USD to ALGO expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at 16.667 algorands. Most extreme cost 16.667. Really least 16.667. The normal for the month 16.667. The USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 16.667. Change for October 0.0%, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand gauge for November 2023 in a significant manner. In the first place cost at 16.667 algorands, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 16.667, genuinely least 16.667. The kind of normal for the month 16.667, which is very huge. The USD to ALGO conjecture toward the month's end 16.66.